Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this video instead of text edit on CapCut PC. So I'm just going to go to text here and I'm just going to type in the word yes, because it's short and it's going to take a long time if I chose like a longer word. So this could do. I'm going to select a font and I'm just going to go to media and add in a black stock video. If it isn't long enough, just make sure you freeze frame it so you can extend the duration. Select both, right click, create compound clip. Add it on top of 3 videos since I have 3 letters. So I'm just going to scroll down real quick and try to find some videos to add here. I'm just going to add these cute ones. So select the video on top, select the darkened one, and select the video on the bottom, and just go to mask and select the horizontal one and do it that way. And then you're going to add in even more videos. And again, go to mask and then horizontal. And then one more, let's add in this one. And then I'm just gonna leave it. Actually, let's add something else. Maybe like this one. Okay, can't even barely see that. Let's see. Hopefully this one will show. I'm just going to put it there. That is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!